Actually, there is no answer for that one because everybody has different fat and like a bone and their goal or their condition. So in general, like more shot is better, but like too much sometimes not good. If they have too much of shots for the Ultherapy, they can have like a sunken cheek, something like that one. So the doctor should design for your face individually. They should determine what shot is good for you. So again, the more shot is better in general, but there is no perfect shot for you. So you should see the doctor and determine what shot is good for you and your condition.
How to know the results appear? And can we go back to our routines right away?
Yeah, you can go back to your routine right away. And usually right after the treatment, you can feel the tightening effect from the Ultherapy. And after a month or 2 months later, your skin quality is changed, like your skin texture is going better because your collagen is regenerating your skin area. And the Ultherapy is based on the ultrasound. So it doesn't affect any harm for your surface of your skin. So you don't have that much of discomfort after the treatment. But for some patients, they can have some redness because it increases the temperature, and sometimes you can have the swelling, depends on your condition. And the swelling usually stays there for 2 to 4 days, but for some patients, the swelling can stay there for 10 days.
How often should we get the Ultherapy treatment?
Usually I recommend 6 months or 1 year between the treatment. The term between the treatment is much longer than the other treatment, so it's really good for the patients who come from the foreign country or who cannot come to the clinic quite often. And if you want to get a really great result, I recommend the Dermatology plus the Ultherapy, because the Ultherapy is based on the ultrasound and Dermatology based on the high radio frequency energy. And the ultrasound and high radio frequency energy treatment has really great synergistic effect by itself. So if you get the Ultherapy and the Dermatology, we call it Ultherapy. And if you got the Ultherapy, the term between the treatment is longer than a year. So if you want to get the really great result, but you cannot come to the clinic quite often, I recommend the Ultherapy and plus minus the Dermatology.